Welcome to Inventory Pro on Android, a complete offline shop ERP. Sign in once and run your entire business from your phone, with no internet required. Your dashboard shows today's revenue, profit, sales count, and low stock alerts. Scroll down for charts and quick actions so you always know how the shop is performing. Point of sale is built for speed. Tap products from the grid, build the cart, and check out, perfect for busy counters when customers are waiting in line. The Products module is your full catalog. Search by name, SKU, or barcode. Every item shows category, unit, price, and live stock on one screen. Adding a product takes seconds. Enter name, sale price, cost, stock, category, and barcode, then save. Your POS and inventory update instantly. Sales history lists every invoice with date, customer, and total. Tap any sale to view details, print a receipt, or share a PDF with your customer. Beyond daily sales, manage returns, installment plans, and quotations, all from the same sales screen with dedicated tabs for each workflow. Purchase orders track supplier buying. Create a new PO, pick a supplier, add line items, and confirm. Stock increases automatically when goods arrive. Inventory shows all stock in one place. Search products, filter by category, and see exact quantities available in your shop or warehouse. Low stock alerts warn you before shelves go empty. Use transfers between locations and stock adjustments to fix counts without losing audit history. Customers store phone, email, and opening balance. Track who buys on credit and how much each regular customer owes your shop. Suppliers manage your distributors and wholesalers. See purchase history and outstanding payables so you never miss a payment deadline. Now the powerful part, full accounting on mobile. Most apps only do billing. Inventory Pro includes expenses, journals, and proper books. Record shop expenses like rent, utilities, and salaries. Expenses feed into profit and loss so your real profit is never overstated. Journal entries support double-entry bookkeeping. Post manual adjustments, review the general ledger, and keep accounts balanced like a real accountant. Payments in logs every rupee or taka received, cash sales, customer collections, and installment payments all appear in one ledger. Payments out tracks money sent to suppliers, staff, and vendors. Know exactly where cash went and reconcile with your bank or cash drawer. Chart of accounts and trial balance organize income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Export-ready reports for your accountant at month-end. Employees module handles staff records, roles, and payroll. Open payroll to run salaries, bonuses, and deductions for your team. Manufacturing supports bill of materials, assembly workflows, and production runs, ideal for workshops and small factories making finished goods. Orders lets you track customer orders from placement through fulfillment, link products, quantities, and delivery status in one place. Reports cover profit and loss, sales breakdown, purchases, inventory valuation, and top products. Change the date range from today to full year. Settings control shop name, phone, address, tax rate, currency, and language. Switch between BDT, INR, USD, and more for your region. Enable app lock and pin for security. Export a JSON backup to save all data offline, or restore from backup when you change phones. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more shop software demos.